Welcome to J&J's test video for S5 CE178 2005 C6 Corvette. Kind of the odd duck, a 1 year only transmission and rear end, and has a couple little odd things like that, like the wheels are different, steering wheel and the center console stuff. Hitting the right side over here, took a wheel out, took a fender, a door, quarter panel. Hood's good, bumper's good, roof is really nice. It's got some of those Morimoto headlights in it, some fancy tail lights. Headlights, what do they look like? Got a Corsa air intake. Headlights. Check out, we've got an aftermarket set of tail lights in it as well. See what those look like. I haven't turned them on yet. Oh, look at that. They look a lot better lit up than they do not lit up. Corsa exhaust. Let's see what she sounds like. Let's see if we can get to the mileage. 93,059 miles. Radio works. Hooked up to it. Heater controls I'm not going to list because the button over here is wasted. They're just bad. Power seats work. I'm going to sell this seat track. This seat's good. See if somebody wants to buy the whole seat. Alright. Important, the window regulators work. Big money nowadays. That one won't go all the way up because the door's not all the way closed. This one will go up. We'll give you a little drive here in a second. That one goes all the way up. Take the battery off and drive her around, and that's that. Go too far and the tire come off the rim. But we'll drive it around down here. Got my foot stuck. Shifter works too. Yeah, parking brake's stuck. Lose that tire. Reverse. Alright, that's it for S5 CE178 93,000 mile 2005 06 Corvette, or 05, I'm sorry, all the digits. As always, thank you for watching. Buy some dropouts and have your pets spayed and neutered.